White Sands, building 5625. We're going to unit 609. Here's your mailboxes. Right outside the door is 609. And then also, just right outside your door is the laundry. And that's actually your pool access right there, which you'll be able to see right from the lanai. Now we'll go into 609. 1 bedroom, 1 bath unit. Tile floors. There's your dining room. And now we'll go over to the kitchen. Kitchen has updated cabinetry. Updated solid surface countertop. Newer appliances. Again, all tile. Refrigerator. More cabinetry up above. White sink. Countertop. And dishwasher. And then you come out of the kitchen and here is your living area. Dining, and then living. Here's the hall to your bedroom. Before you hit the bedroom, here's your full bath and tub area. Coming out of the bathroom again, we go right into the master bedroom. Laminate flooring. Nice sitting area, TV. There's a window. King size bed. Two closets. Very, very good size room. And then right outside the master bedroom is closet space. Good size closet space for your linens. And then you could use it as a coat closet as well as your vacuum cleaner and other items. Now we go out to the lanai, which will overlook your community pool. This is your lanai, all tiled as well. nice size lanai. And then right outside your lanai, which is all paved, is your pool area. And that's 609.